Yo, 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 yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 message to Sabreinna. Message to Sabreinna. Sabreinna and big mother. AKA 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Couple weeks ago, we see a story pop where Angela said 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, pregnant for get her pregnant and thing and 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 come out from him life come deny it. But to myself, I say, oh, this is a 50-50 chance. This could be our next publicity stunt. And because 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 drop a song. A lot of artists do it these days. I the in thing now. Me no mind it. But don't cry wolf. So that is my only thing. If it is a stunt, if it's not a stunt, none of my business. None of my business. Me not get paid for that. So 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 message to Sabreinna, which I'm baby mother and him manager. So I could see what I must say. Him drop a song on the video. But one thing I notice say this song produced by Ice Queen Records. So I'm Oman label. I'm Ice Queen. I'm Oman. I'm Oman. Cause you don't know Ice Nation. So because see when the G say to me, if a stunt, he don't need no stunt because him talented. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is talented. We all know that. So I could see what G say. What am I say? See what I say? Come with a little style.
Yeah, me wish your time could have reversed. Me swear to God, me girl, me never wired. Me sight the pain in your tears when you cry them for me shirt.
Enough man have him as a girl cloud. Enough man have him as girl idiot. But brother, portray love to your woman, G. Portray love to your woman. Make sure you know how much you love her. We all make mistake. We are human. Woman make mistake, man make mistake. We all make mistakes. So G, if you're feeling it, we sing a song for her. And second song, because in first song I just Glock 17 and Bray. So I know first he must sing about Bray. But this one is an apologetic. Some big words man using an apologetic publicity stunt. Publicity. Big words.
Yeah. Me wish your time could have reversed. Me swear to God, me girl, me never wired. Me sight the pain in your tears when you cry them for me shirt. Me know some me fuck up, me shoulda never did shed it.
One of the artist thing I feel say, if you see somebody a cry and you know say you would do it, and you make it happen, and you hurt that person there. That's one of the artist thing, one of the saddest thing. So he must say, yo, basically I'm sorry. You never mean basically you don't know. Tears on shirt and the tears in your eyes and one bag of thing he must say. So I can say myself again.
Me wish your time could have reversed. Me swear to God, me girl, me never wired. Me sight the pain in your tears when you cry them for me shirt.
Yeah.
Me know some me fuck up, me shoulda never did shed it. True better on the earth. Me and her in the west. Every time I think of her, come like it and ever. Pretty smile up on her face, me heart swell up and out for burst. Me take you on a tour cause everything good they deserve it.
It shouldn't take it is what it is, but it shouldn't take a man for or a person for fuck up for cheat somebody well. Cause I must say, yo, I could take you on a tour cause you deserve one of the best. It shouldn't take a man to fuck up. Like me say, if it's a stunt, me don't know, me don't care. I'm reacting to this song. Alright?
Me heart swell up and out for burst. Me take you on a tour cause everything good they deserve it. Me I tell her me G. That song I want me write off in my message to she. Sabreinna 𝐑𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, the definition of real. You wanna know me I talk, you better know say I breathe.
Sabreinna 𝐑𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, definition of real. Obviously, I feel like me say, I'm woman, them been through ups and downs, them fight, them argue, them cuss, them good, them laugh, them smile. Pillar talk, you don't know. Baby mother now, so you have to give respect where respect is due. So him a give woman respect. Nothing wrong with that. Me not say nothing wrong with that. Big up yourself, Bray. And big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Work cause everything good they deserve it. Me I tell her me G. That song I want me write off in my message to she. Sabreinna Williams, the definition of real. You wanna know me I talk, you better know say I breathe. One love and a she. You woulda cut me up if you tell me you a leave. Something in my brain and give my mind a damage. Time stop and a freeze. But me I beg you please, my love. Baby, no leave my house.
This, like the feel every emotion when the boss I sing about dog. Like Silk Boss always come with them song away. Dish. I like them song dog. Like Silk Boss, big up say, bro. Keep on doing the thing, bro. See you in your lane, bro.
The definition of real. You wanna know me I talk, you better know say I breathe. One love and a she. You woulda cut me up if you tell me you a leave. Something in my brain and give my mind a damage. Time stop and a freeze. But me I beg you please, my love. Baby, no leave my house. Pain me I feel right now. Baby, no leave. Please, my love. Pain me I feel, my love. I did break, my love. Do not leave, do not leave.
My granny used to say, I can't never know the use of him tail till him lose it. So, he must sing to her, portray him love before him lose it. Earlier on, him say, he don't know where me do if she tell him say she'll leave. I don't know, man.
My love, pain me I feel, my love. I did break, my love. Do not leave, do not leave. Baby, tell me what you want. For heaven and me arms, I to keep me calm. When me looking at your face, your eyes remind me I start. You're sweeter than the honey, like you and the bees apart. Curvy waist in your shot, sexiness to me attack.
That's a describe a woman in the man. Describe a woman, I'm a G, I'm metal.
Arms, I to keep me calm. When me looking at your face, your eyes remind me I start. You're sweeter than the honey, like you and the bees apart. Curvy waist in your
bars. You're sweeter than the honey, like a you and the bees apart. Obviously, we all know bees make honey. So you're sweeter than the honey, like a you and the bees apart. But simple but effective. Bars.
Me what you want. For heaven and me arms, I to keep me calm. When me looking at your face, your eyes remind me I start. You're sweeter than the honey, like you and the bees apart. Curvy waist in your shot, sexiness to me attack. The pain in me heart I disappear when time I walk. It's like you are the pretty angel on the road me chat with dog. No follow up them girl cause you alone me want.
Man say you are the pretty angel on the lonely road me walk.
Pain in me heart I disappear when time I walk. It's like you are the pretty angel on the road me chat with dog. No
road they chat them sorry.
Cause you alone me want.
Man say no follow up them girl cause you alone me want. I obviously I'm a celebrity. So girl go on touch her fireman thing. But they must say yo Bray, no follow up them girl there. You alone me want. You see me? No follow them girl there. Remember no. Bray, talk to you now. Remember no. No other girl out there no owe you no obligation, you know, my girl. You see me? Silk Boss does. You and Silk Boss in a relationship. So Silk Boss owe your obligation. No other woman out there no owe you none. So them can look your man. It's up to your man for hold him on. You understand? Vice versa. Silk Boss. I Brie alone owe your obligation. You and Brie in a relationship. You see me? So some man bare-faced enough to look your woman out in front of you. You see me? So, as she has to know herself and hold her own. You know?
It's to me attack. The pain in me heart I disappear when time I walk. It's like you are the pretty angel on the road me chat with dog. No follow up them girl cause you alone me want. Me I tell her me G. That song I want me write off in my message to she. Sabreinna Williams, the definition of real. For all who never know me I tell you say I breathe.
At the first, me see you sing about Brie and Brie not in the video. It's a different girl that play Brie. That's a change. Well done. Well done. That is a change. That is a change. And I think it look away if Brie not the video where it would not away because Brie must sing too. But them supposed to be not talking. They're supposed to be vexed. So she not in the video at the time. But I'm sure they make up now. Anyway.
Turn a real. For all who never know me I tell you say I breathe. Me one love and a she. He woulda cut me up if I tell me you a leave. Some things in my mind and give me brain a damage.
A girl like cute too. She cute. She nice.
Cut me up if I tell me you a leave. Some things in my mind and
she nice. She's nice.
give me brain a damage. Time stop and I freeze. But me I beg her please, my love. Baby, no leave my house. Pain me I feel. feel right now. Baby, no leave. Please, my love. Baby, no leave my house. Baby, I feel right now. Baby, no leave.
And they have to find a way to put Brin on this video. And they have to find a way somewhere somehow put Brin on the video. But just 2 seconds ago, say it's surprising, say she's not in the video. They have to find a way to put her in the video, dog. See how they
feel right now. Baby, no leave.
Like me say, I don't know if it was a publicity stunt. If it was, then it was. Me nah knock at the song bad, bro. Like, big up yourself, Sil. Big up yourself, Bray. Sil Boss, I've always said this to you. Space in a dancehall for you. Just keep yourself relevant and keep. You're not always gonna be relevant, bro. So don't fight for be relevant, Don't pull publicity stunt. If for that you do, you not have to do that, brother. A union Silk, bro. You see me? Your fans them are wait for see where you're gonna drop next, bro. So big up yourself, bro. It's good to see an artist show them emotion, especially a dancer artist. Because we as man, we not show emotion, bro. We not show emotion. Like we try to be this tough guy. Sometimes some things inside are kill we, and we not talk to nobody or not. So you're talented enough to make a song about it and drop it in a song and give it, and we like it. You see me? Your writing skills up, and it proved to we say your writing skills up because you sing about recent happenings. When the incident will reach you, with you and the youth them, you sing, "Mama, me sorry." Now something come up on social media. Like me say, I don't know if I stunt or not, but it come up on social media and you sing about it, brother, and it makes sense. It makes sense. I don't like say you just put words together. No, it makes sense. I feel everything. You see everything where you sing, BG. You see me? But big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, Ice Nation. Big up yourself, Bray. All of the fans them. Big up on yourself. Don't know. Keep supporting the artist. Artist bad, man. The artist bad. Anyway, this time I'm gonna leave that one at Bray. Give the man. You know, say, man and man, we do things more time. If you can look past that, man. Life too short. You know, you have a baby on the way. Don't stress yourself and stress out the baby. Understand? Yeah, want a healthy baby, nice bouncing baby silk. You know what I mean? So, big up yourself. And this time I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed the one, I want some more. Subscribe on there if you're new, and I definitely 100% see you in the next one. Alright? Peace.